The owners we work with at KeyVest trust us with their most important and valuable assets. Why is that? It's because we're good at what we do, and we bring both professional and personal experience to our leasing, management, and maintenance services. We know what success looks like, and we love helping owners like you get there. We're investors too. We own buildings and units throughout New Jersey, and we understand the stress of getting those properties occupied and keeping them well maintained. Any of the challenges you're currently facing are challenges we've worked through as well. This gives us a different perspective than a lot of property managers. We understand the importance of finding the right tenant and setting the right rental price. We treat your investment property like it's one of our own. The systems, processes, and plans we have in place work, and they work well. We've been improving them and getting them right for several years, and our owners know that if an unexpected situation arises, we're prepared. Our efficient and customized property management plans lead to more peace of mind and better investment outcomes. We do more than collect rent and place tenants. We work with you on the entire investment and rental experience. Think of us as your best New Jersey property management resource. Contact us at KeyVest.